Hello there, ma'am. Bet you didn't know I was a musical genius. Watch how good I am.
You sure about that?
You sure about that?
Try one of my delicious deer cakes made with 100% real deer.
You sure about that?
This is Mouthcloud's channel now. Take this! I am Mouthcloud now. All hail Mouthcloud. Now I'm running away from the scariest thing you can possibly think of. I am Mouthcloud now. We're all gonna die! We're all gonna die. All hail Mouthcloud. Kiss him! Kiss him, Bobby!
No!
They want to see him!
I'm not gonna kiss him!
Mouthcloud, kiss you.
No, stop it! Go away! Oh! Didn't see you there.
No! 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 Mouthcloud. Okay, I'm gonna make soup with this. And this. Oh, and we can't forget about this. Now I'm running away. Mouthcloud now. I can fix it. I can fix this. Ready? Never mind, I made it work.
No! No! Oh no! What? Oh no! 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 Ah!
What is that? Please don't. I'm watching you. Conscience? Whose soul should we steal?
Why are you here?
We're all gonna die!
Oh, this I don't give a crap about that.
Mouthcloud?
Okay, no, I won't let this slide.
Thank you, Conscience. I will do that. Give me your soul!
No!
Give it to me!
No!
No! No! No! No! No! Bad. The end.